Did you know that faceless YouTube channels are one of the fastest growing trends on YouTube in 2024? Channels powered by AI automation are skyrocketing in popularity, and creators are making it big without ever showing their face. If you want to be part of this explosive movement and use AI to automate your YouTube workflow, you're in the right place. Make sure to stick around to the end of this video for the top strategies that will help you launch and grow a faceless channel using AI. Before we dive in, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for weekly AI content that will supercharge your YouTube journey. So, everything. In today's video, I'll show you how to launch a faceless YouTube channel using cutting-edge AI tools that do the hard work for you. Let's dive into the future of YouTube automation. Speak your script. So why are faceless channels thriving? The biggest advantage is the efficiency. You can create content faster without worrying about makeup, lighting, or spending hours on editing. Plus, using AI means you can churn out videos at scale, which is key for growing on YouTube. Another huge benefit is the ability to target different niches. Whether it's finance, education, tech, or storytelling, faceless content fits into almost any genre. Getting started is easier than ever. Here's a simple step-by-step guide. Pick your niche. Choose a niche that has a steady audience. Think tech, self-improvement, or finance. Create AI-generated scripts. Use ChatGPT or Jasper AI to generate your video scripts. Customize them to fit your style. Turn scripts into videos. Use a tool like Pictory to automatically convert your script into a fully edited video. Optimize with AI for SEO. Don't forget to use AI-powered keyword research tools like TubeBuddy or Vidicue to ensure your content ranks well. Now, how do you make money from faceless AI-powered channels? You can monetize through YouTube ad revenue. Once you hit the threshold, ad revenue can be a steady income stream. Affiliate marketing. Promote software tools, courses, or products related to your niche. Digital products. Offer ebooks or courses, teaching others how to automate their channels using AI. With AI automating most of your workload, scaling your channel becomes much easier, allowing you to focus on growth. So, what are you waiting for? AI-powered faceless YouTube channels are the future of content creation. Whether you want to save time, avoid the camera, or scale up quickly, this method has you covered. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more AI tips and tricks. And that's it. Now you've got everything you need to start your very own AI-powered faceless YouTube channel. The possibilities are endless, and with AI doing the heavy lifting, you can scale faster than ever before. So what are you waiting for? Take action today. If you found value in this video, make sure to smash that like button and hit subscribe for more tips on AI, automation, and content creation. And don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update, because each week I'll be dropping exclusive content that can take your channel to the next level. Also, let me know in the comments below what AI tool you're most excited to try out, and if you need more advice, check out the videos on screen for even more insights. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.